Huawei is unveiling Band 10 with the 7 color shades and packs a range of smart health features. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. Huawei's fused aluminum alloy with CNC cutting technology to craft the new smart bands. As a result, the device adopts a delicate texture. It is available in 7 color shades: feather sand black, glacier white, new green, topaz blue, steamer purple, obsidian black, and dawn pink, and a lightweight design. The weight is 14 grams for polymer fiber vision and 15 grams for aluminum alloy. It has an 8.99 mm thickness. White, pink, and purple has a wrist size of 120 to 190 mm. Huawei Band 10 supports a 14-day battery life when disables certain features like sleep analysis. Meanwhile, normal usage with all features provides a battery life of 8 days. The NFC variant of the series supports NFC 5ATM 2.0 GHz and Bluetooth 5.0 or some other capability of this device. Band 10 brings multiple watch faces with new styles, colors, and functions. It also has AOD capability with smart brightness adjustment and shows clear screen details irrespective of the light conditions in the environment. Huawei Band 10 available in 3 different price tags. Polymer fiber price is $37 and aluminum alloy price is $40 and NFC vision price is $45. That's all for now and thanks for watching.